Hi friends, I'm Sharky.
And I'm Piggy.
Welcome to Sharky and Piggy, where big ideas change the world. Today we're going to travel through time
To meet the amazing inventor of the dishwasher.
Today we're visiting America in the 1800s. This is Josephine Cochrane. She loved to invite friends and family over for dinner, but after every meal, there were mountains of dirty dishes.
That's so many dishes. People had to wash every plate, every cup, and every spoon by hand. Sometimes even beautiful dishes broke.
Josephine wondered, what if a machine could wash the dishes instead? Instead of complaining, she started inventing. She designed a machine that sprayed hot water onto the dishes.
Wow! Look how shiny they are!
No scrubbing, no sore hands, just clean dishes.
In 1886, Josephine received a patent for her invention. Hotels and restaurants loved her dishwasher because it saved time and cleaned dishes very well. Years later, families all over the world also started using dishwashers.
Today, millions of people use dishwashers every day.
Thanks to an amazing inventor.
Fun fact, Josephine Cochrane was one of the first women to successfully make and sell her own invention. She showed that great ideas can come from anyone.
Can you think of something that makes your life hard?
Maybe you could invent something to solve it. Every great invention starts with a great idea.
Remember, keep learning, keep dreaming, keep inventing.
See you on our next Sharky and Piggy adventure.